Hi everyone, I'm Deanna, you're watching Orchid. Welcome to the Global Virtual Orchid Show for 2020. I'd like to present to you the Sharry baby, which currently has 3 of its 6 spikes open. So my flowers are a variety with an almost solid maroon colour, and it's just got touches of white on its lip, but different varieties have variable patterns on the lip and variable amounts of white. Now this is an extremely vigorous and easygoing Oncidium type. Mine basically doubles in size every year. You can see that mine has completely filled the pot with a very extensive root system and is basically due for a repot after it finishes blooming. So during the day, this orchid smells fantastically of chocolate, especially when it's in full bloom and the morning sun hits it. The smell can just fill an entire room, and personally I have not met anyone who doesn't like this fragrance. So the orchid itself is one of the absolute favorites in my collection. I have a dedicated video on the Sharry baby which I'll link now. Thank you for watching. Bye.